it's coming back again and again actually.
Okay. Just make one new file so that
Yeah.
that file will connect with
Mm.
uh, MySQL workbench. Okay.
Okay, I will rename it. So,
Yeah. Just make it
uh,
MySQL connection connect
mm,
with Python.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Mm.
So first we have to install some library. Okay.
Mm. Yeah.
So how you are going to install? Exclamation, just yeah, pip install
Install
MySQL,
MySQL.
then dash,
Okay.
yeah, the connector,
Here.
connector, then again dash Python.
Okay. Python.
Yes.
Okay.
Now execute. Wait,
Yeah.
this is getting installed. Wait for the message.
What
Okay,
is
now
this?
scroll down.
Oh, okay. Successfully
Okay.
installed MySQL. So every
Now
time I have to do this,
no no
right?
no no no.
Only one
You
time.
all, yeah, this is for only one time. Okay. Now
Okay.
import this one. Import mysql.connector.
Uh, dot, right?
Yeah, connector.
Connector.
Now execute.
Yeah,
Okay, execute.
imported.
Okay, now we are going to create a connection. Okay, just
Mm.
comment it. Create a connection.
Okay.
Okay, so here mydb means variable name. Anything you can
Okay.
take. Mydb is equal to
Okay.
now mysql.connector,
Okay.
because this is a library name.
Mm.
mysql.connector dot,
There is no alias using a.
no.
Okay.
uh, After connector we put dot connect,
Okay.
dot connect.
Dot
Now start
connect.
parenthesis. Yeah, here we will take three parameters: user, password and host. Okay, so first
Okay.
user equal to,
User equal
is
to.
equal to
Mm.
in quote,
Mm.
write root. Now after quote comma, yeah, then password. This is the parameter. Okay, is equal to
Mm.
what
Okay.
password you put it there, just type here. Okay,
Okay.
now after comma
Okay.
host. So
Host.
inside quote type localhost without space.
Local host. Okay.
Yeah, now running.
Yeah.
Okay, this is successfully created your connection.
Oh.
Now,
Okay.
okay, now one more step we have to take it.
Mm.
Create a cursor object. Okay,
Write down
create a,
that.
sorry,
It's a comment or.
no, comment. It's a comment.
Okay.
Create
So
a cursor object.
cursor CU or cursor SO.
CUROR.
SO, right? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Cursor
Cursor
object.
connection.
Object.
Cursor
Object. Object.
object.
Yeah.
Object. Okay.
So this is the must uh, to creating cursor object. So now
Okay.
my cursor is equal to, my cursor is a variable name, is equal to
Mm.
mydb
IDB dot.
cursor,
sir.
parenthesis. Now execute. Okay. So now we can create one more database. So that's this will create a database. So that's we will confirm this is working. Okay. So
Mm.
how my cursor dot, because that is variable name na, my cursor,
Yeah.
my cursor dot
Mm.
execute.
Execute.
Yeah. Now parenthesis execute, execute,
Okay.
execute. Now parenthesis in quote, in quote. Every command will come in quote. Now create database. You can put any database name which is not
Mm.
available in MySQL workbench.
Oh, okay. Python
So yeah,
with Python.
Python demo database you can also take, or anything you can
Okay.
take.
Python demo.
Okay, Python demo is okay.
Okay.
Okay, now execute this one.
Okay.
Wait. So cursor, see S you forget after R. Cursor spelling is wrong.
Oh, okay.
Now run. Okay, executed. Now how to show database? Same, my cursor dot execute.
I will save it.
Yes,
It every time. Okay.
dot execute. In place of create database, we have to write show database, like before we used show database, databases. S.
Basis. Okay.
Yeah. Now execute. Okay.
Okay.
Now now we have to fetch all databases from there. So how we are going to fetch? For DB means database in my cursor, for loop. Okay, my cursor. Now yeah, print DB. That's it. DB. Execute this one.
Oh,
So
okay.
okay. So we have created Python demo.
Python
So
demo is the practice is there, and what we would some demo, right?
yeah, demo one we had created before.
Okay. For
Okay,
a
you can
table.
once you can go MySQL workbench. Now
Yeah.
here refresh the schema. Refresh the schema. Okay, so top
Yeah.
third, middle of this Python demo has been created. This one.
Yes. 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 Python demo
Okay, so
created.
now both connections, connection between MySQL workbench and Python has been done. Okay, so
Okay.
we can do some more command to like dropping, showing database, so that you can do by yourself according
Okay.
to instructor. Okay.
Okay. This is the class which I have done yesterday, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Today. Oh.
Okay, so that's it.